guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween Dollar Tree DIY. I'm so excited for this one because I'm also going to be collabing with Jennifer from Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. She's also going to be doing a Dollar Tree Halloween. She's been doing them for I think the past week now. She's been doing them for a couple weeks. So if you aren't subscribed to her or you don't know who she is, make sure you go and check out her channel. I absolutely love it. She does all kinds of videos just like me. She does cleaning videos and she also does a lot of DIYs, and fall decor right now is in. So make sure that when you're done watching my video, you go and check her out and let her know I sent you. And I'm just going to begin with my Dollar Tree DIYs. I'm doing 2 of them and they are going to cost I think $6 to make both of them. So I'm so excited. I'm just going to get started. Okay, so this is going to be probably one of the shortest videos I've ever made, but everything is so easy to make. So you'll need Spanish moss, these little skull heads, and this little round glass jar. So I'm just shoving a bunch of the skulls in a little bit at a time along with moss. I thought this made a really cute like Halloween decoration. I don't know, it kind of made me think of these like little guys coming out of the ground. Weird, but it's Halloween, so you can totally get away with that. But I thought this looked so cute. And then now I'm just using a hurricane vase, bunch of sticks I found in the yard. And then I'm just gonna use these clip-on bats. And then I'm also gonna use some fairy lights just to give it a little extra something. And I did decide to add some Spanish moss to this since I already had it out. It kind of held the sticks in really well. And there's something about Spanish moss that just, I don't know, it's kind of creepy or whatever. So I thought it looked really cute for a Halloween decoration. And then I'm just going to clip these bats on. I didn't realize on some of these I wasn't even clipping them on. I was just kind of pushing them in, but I realized it after like 4 bats fell off that I wasn't even clipping them right. But that is it, you guys. These were 2 simple and easy DIY Dollar Tree crafts for Halloween to do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and then make sure you also go check out Jennifer's video with a little bit of Calm and Crazy. I will leave the link in the description box below so you can go check that out. And if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small.